Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me INFINIX Hot 20 5G device, and now I'm gonna show you how to speed up and how to make your INFINIX Hot 20 5G faster. So, the first aspect that can slow down your device is full built-in memory. So, you need to have always 30% of free memory, because if your memory is filled over than 70%, your device will slowing down. You need to know it. Of course, if you are using a slow memory card, slow memory CD card, and you have switched application to CD card from internal memory, your device will slowing down. So firstly, if you want to speed up your device and you have your internal memory filled over than 70%, you just need to free up your memory. You can do it by removing unused applications. To do it, just find any application, click uninstall and click OK. And of course you can use any cloud storages, for example Google Photos, or I don't know, Mega Drive, trash, not trash box, but Dropbox, so sorry, I don't know, Microsoft OneDrive, to move your photos and videos from your internal memory to the cloud storage. Of course, you need to pay for it after you will fill free space. For example, Google Drive gives you 15 gigabytes for free. OneDrive gives you 5 gigabytes for free. Mega Drive gives you 50 gigabytes for free, but you will have restricted size for files in free version. So you just need to try cloud storages to find the best result for you. Okay, and the second aspect that can negatively affect the speed of your device is the lack of RAM. All the processes are running at the moment are running in RAM. So as you can see here in my RAM are running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 applications. 4 applications in this moment, in the same moment. So if you want to free up your memory, just swipe your application up, and in this way you will free up your memory. Here on your device you have iManager application. This is pre-installed application on your device. And here you have space cleanup, security scan, and okay, so we just need 2 buttons, optimize and space cleanup. Optimizing is removing data from your RAM. This is optimization, and space cleanup will clean up your dust files. So the third aspect that can slow down your device is the files that are left over from running apps. Applications in the Android operation system leaving behind a lot of junk, unnecessary files that are not noticeable to the average user of the device. So in order to clean these files, you will need this program, iManager program, and here, as you can see, iManager detect 100 megabytes of junk files, and to clean it up, just click clean up, and this program cleaned up 100 megabytes. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.